is Tana. I'm the principal designer here at Airstream Facelift, and today I'm going to take you inside the finished product, Kailani. She is our surf shack inspired Airstream. She feels like a beach. She feels like a relaxing place to just chill and unwind. And even though it's cold here in Charlotte today, we're going to get inside and get those warm, cozy feelings. This girl is headed up to Long Island, New York today, so we got to get this done so you can see her before she leaves. Let's head inside. I hope you enjoyed getting to see Kailani in her finished state. Like I said, she's heading up to Long Island. She's going to be a part of the Long Island Airstream Experience family. She is a part of their camping segment of their business. And if you have not checked them out, you absolutely have to. It is the Long Island Airstream Experience. In their camping business, you can actually rent Kailani along with 3 other of my units. So make sure you're checking out their website. I am so excited to send this girl off to Long Island. Although I'll miss her, but we're off to the next one, and I'll be back here sharing something again with you soon. Thank you so much for hanging out.